In today's video, I got something super useful to share with you. The step-by-step process for creating your Apple ID right on your iPhone. You're in the right place. Let's jump into it. Step 1. Open Safari app or any web browser. I'll be using Safari for this demonstration. Now head on over to apply.apple.com. If you're already logged in, make sure you log out first. When that's done, look for the arrow and hit Create your Apple ID. Step 2. Create your Apple ID. The journey begins. You'll need to provide your first name and last name. Once that's in, scroll down a bit and select your country or region. Moving on, it's birthday time. Just enter the day, month, and year. Scroll again, and now it's time to put in your email. Remember, if your email is already linked to another Apple ID, you'll need a fresh one for this. Keep things secure with a password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long with uppercase, lowercase, and a number. Step 3. Verification process. We're on a roll. Time to verify your phone number. Choose your country and pop in your digits. You might need to prove you're human with a quick picture puzzle. Just follow the prompts. And voila! With that out of the way, it's time to deal with verification codes. Check your email inbox. There's a verification code waiting for you. Grab it and slot it into the field on the screen. Tap Next. Phone verification. You're almost there. Keep an eye on your phone. Another verification code is headed your way. Same drill, pop that code into the field. Tap Next and you're golden. High fives all around. You've done it. Your brand new Apple ID is officially here. Now, let's wrap things up. Close the Safari. Head over to your iPhone's settings. Once there, tap on your name right at the top. That'll take you to your Apple ID settings. Scroll down and say goodbye to your old Apple ID. Hit Sign Out. Now comes the satisfying part. Log in with your shiny new Apple ID. Use that fresh email and password combo you just set up. And there you have it. You've officially switched to your new Apple ID. Congratulations, you have successfully created new Apple ID. Thanks for watching.